Lengozi yenzeke ekseni namhlanje sekwedlule ihora lesikhombisa. Ngokusho kwabazibonele, umshayeli wemoto ebithwele abafundi ubezama ukudlula imoto ezimbili ngesikhathi ehlangabezana neloli. Nokuthiwa ke lizame konke ukuvika lengozi livika imoto yabafundi.
The driver of the Quantum Escolar Transport was driving on this road when he tried to overtake two cars. It's then that the Scholar Transport or the Quantum collided with a truck that resulted to this accident.
Bayishumi nantathu abafundi abashonile, abanye bangeniswe esibhedlela.
We are at the scene, as you all can see, where this morning I received a call that there was a tragic accident involving learners. At the time, they said to me, they were uncertain of the number, but when we arrived, I was briefed of 11 that are currently here on the scene that we've lost. And now I'm getting an update together with the brigadier that there's one more that we've just lost at the hospital.
Undunankulu wesifundazwe eGauteng ugxeke kakhulu izinkampani ezizimele ezithutha abafundi uthi bazozama ukuqinisa imithetho.
I really feel that we've left this sector unregulated for quite some time. I said to the MEC now, I want him and the MEC for transport to immediately find a way of engaging and finding an available date for us to go and meet with the sector. I really feel that we need to engage the sector.
Owenhlangano yezimoto ezithutha abafundi naye unikele endaweni yesigameko uthi badumele kakhulu ngembiko abayitholile.
It's shocking. Our motto says we're transporting our future with their future in mind. So that's what we garner for each and every day. So hearing such devastating news, it makes one to lose sleep, even food.
Ungqongqoshe wezemfundo uSiviwe Gwagube wedlulise amazwi enduduzo emndenini yabafundi abashonile.
This is some heartbreaking news of 11 learners who have passed on and some more who are injured who have been rushed to school, to hospital. We want to extend our deepest condolences not only to the parents and the families but also to those schooling communities.
Umshayeli wemoto ebithutha abafundi kanye noweloli basindile kule ngozi. Amaphoyisa avulele umshayeli wemoto ethutha abafundi icala lokubulala ngokungenhloso kanti ke azothatha isitatimende kumshayeli weloli.